cow makes? That cow says, moo. Now I have a message for all the cows out there watching. That's cow talk for you're watching me, Junior. We're going to feature stories up next.